Hello, I'm Gustavo Tolosa, and we are rehearsing here with my violinist friend Leonardo.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, and we're getting ready for this coming Thursday for a feast of chocolate, music, and poetry. You will love it, I assure you. Shayda is going to prepare 6 decadent desserts that are chocolate, and she's going to be melting a lot of chocolate. We will be in charge of melting your hearts with music and with some of the most romantic poetry written by Beethoven and Schumann. So join us for a night out that you will remember for a long time. To register for the Love and Friendship webinar, a celebration of Valentine's Day, please click on the link that you will find in the description area of this video, or go to Shayda's website, which is Healthy Cooking with Shayda, and you can register there, and we will see you Thursday night. Bye-bye.